Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this Micropython tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use the ESP32's touchpad or the built-in touch sensor. So basically what it does is that we can give inputs just by touching. The ESP32 features 10 capacitive touch sensors, out of which T1 is connected to GPIO 0, which isn't available on every board. This is the one which I have, it isn't on this one. So check that. The ordinary Arduinos doesn't have the touch sensor, but you can make one. Go check out this. Wanna see the circuit? It's a bit too complicated, but I will show you. Heartbeats. Doom, 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 doom. Connect a wire to the GPIO 4. I told you it's a bit complicated. For using the ESP32's touchpad, we need to import touchpad. Here I am also importing the pins as we need it. Since we need to get stable output from using the read function, we are adding a small time delay. Next we are using the pin 15 as touch sensor, which is touchpad 4. Defining pin 2 as LED. We need to continuously run the below code, so we are putting it in a while loop. First we are running the t.read function to read the values from the touch sensor. Here you get the output. Now we are adding a small time.sleep, as I have already mentioned. Here I have set the threshold as 200, you can see it, and when I read the touchpad you can see the values are like 540 or something. So you can see that when I'm gonna touch this touchpad or the wire connected to the touchpad, you can see the corresponding change here. See, it goes below 200. It's like 140, 77 and 131 and all. See? Now you have learned it. To be honest, I'm also in the learning phase, so come, let's learn together. I learned this from the website. There are tons of other ways you can do it, so I think this one might be a basic and simple one. So if you want, you can go check out the link. I have given it in the description.